Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a table from Chat GPT and bring it over to your Excel documents so you can edit using Excel. So the first thing you want to do is to generate some table, give Chat GPT some prompt that it can generate a nice table. And then you will want to give it another prompt asking for the table in a CSV file. So I asked him to give me this table in a CSV file. And it is going to give me the CSV file here, and then I can just download this file. So I have the file downloaded right here in this folder. Now I'm going to open Excel and I'm going to go ahead and go to data, and then I'm going to select this option up here where it says from text/CSV. Then I'm going to find my data, my CSV file, and I'm going to hit import. Now it will most likely recognize your CSV file, and all you have to do is to click load. And that's it. So that's how you import your ChatGPT files in Excel. So thank you for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.